Welcome to the project demonstration of distance measuring using SR04, and the main part of the system is microcontrollers Arduino Uno board and displaying the measured distance on the 16:2 LCD screen. So here we interface the SR04, this ultrasonic sensor, to the 8 and 9 pins of our Uno board, and LCD display interface at pin number 2 to pin number 7. And from here we are going to get the 5 volts power supply for the LCD display, and from here we are going to provide the same 5 volts power supply to the SR04 ultrasonic sensor. So from this adapter, so it will take the input of 230 volts inputs and it will provide the output of 5 volts constant regulated power supply. So once we provide the input to this Arduino Uno board, and it will trigger the 10 microseconds of pulse to the SR04 ultrasonic sensor. So here there will be two sections, one is the transmitter, one is the receiver. So when we trigger the 10 microseconds duration pulse, then the transmitter will transmit the ultrasonic waves, and based on the obstacles in front of it, the reflected waves will be received by the receiver section. So it will calculate the time, and we'll calculate the time by using the Uno board, and we know the speed of the sound. So that will be the main inputs to calculate the distance. So from that formula we are going to identify the distance of the obstacle which is there in front of the ultrasonic sensor, and the particular distance will be displayed on the centimeters in terms on the 16:2 LCD screen. So let us see the demonstration. So after provide the power supply, wait for 5 seconds, let the Arduino Uno boot up. Once the booting was successfully done, then there will be a welcome message on the LCD screen, and right, so it will start measure the distance of the object in front of that. So when we place the hand near to the ultrasonic sensor, then the 6 centimeters, and we can measure that also. Okay, from here. So when we place the object at 6 centimeters, we can know that it will display the 6 centimeters directly. And it's 12 centimeters, same, it will display the 12 centimeters. So in this manner we can measure up to 4 meters, because the SR04 can support up to the 4 meters of distance it can measure. Thank you.